saw these series of tapes, Mr. Fung, you realized that you had been caught in a lie, didn't you?
No.
Prosecutor Hank Goldberg uses Fung to attack a different defense argument that police were trying to frame O.J. Simpson.
Mr. Fung, let me see if I have this. Were you involved together with Detective Lang, Detective Furman, Detective Van Adder, Michelle Kessler, and her husband, whoever that might be, in a conspiracy against this defendant?
What's the objection? Grounds? Overruled? No.
After a disastrous 9 days on the stand, Fung steps down. But before he leaves the courtroom, he stuns observers by shaking O.J. Simpson's hand and greeting Simpson's attorneys.
What's up? Go back to work.
Are you happy to get back to work?
I'm happy to get off the stand.
Yeah.
Andrea Mazzola, ANDREA.
Now it's LAPD criminalist Andrea Mazzola's turn to testify. Once again, Simpson's attorneys go on the offensive. Peter Neufeld uses a prosecution videotape to help support the defense theory of police incompetence.
Did you just take the tweezers and put them and move them from the left hand and transfer them to the right hand?
Yes.
And that's the right hand that you just had put down on the dirty ground. Is that correct?
Yes.
Prosecutor Hank Goldberg tries to salvage Mazzola's testimony, suggesting even if mistakes were made, the blood trail still leads to Simpson.
Are you aware of any mistakes that you made or could have made to contaminate those stains?
No.
DNA testing of those blood stains is at the heart of the prosecution's case against O.J. Simpson. And its star scientific witness is biochemist Robin Cotton.
It's those lengths that are different from person to person.
For 2.5 days, she turns the courtroom into a classroom, giving jurors a crash course in genetic fingerprinting and the first scientific evidence linking Simpson to the double murder. She compares the DNA taken from blood on a sock found in O.J. Simpson's bedroom to Simpson's DNA and the DNA of the victims.
What about Nicole Brown?
Nicole Brown is not excluded. She has 8 bands, and they are consistent and in similar positions to the DNA bands that are found on the sock.
According to Cotton's calculations, Nicole Brown Simpson could be the only person in the world whose blood is on that sock. It is perhaps the most damaging testimony yet. And there's more. Cotton says at least 6 blood drops that lead away from the victims at Bundy probably came from O.J. Simpson. Prosecutors contend Simpson